Welcome back to Pilates workout. 2 toes.
I'm packing up my room in my sorority house today, so today is the last get ready with me in the sorority house. I'm so sad, but we're on to better things next year, so let's go ahead and get ready to pack up this entire room. Everyone's stuff is like already gone. It's so lonely in here. I'm so sore from Pilates and now I have to pack all day, so this is just a recipe for disaster. Since I'm going to be packing all day, I need to pick out an outfit that is super athletic and comfortable. Here is my outfit for moving out. I'll have it linked in my like to know it. Now I have a whole lot of packing to do, so I'm going to say goodbye, but I will see you guys later. Bye, guys. go outside? Let's go. I have no clue what's going on here. Howdy, Wes. Wes is looking at me like he hasn't eaten this morning, but I'm like, I know you're trying to get double fed. Brady already fed him. What's in here? So now I'm curious. Stuff for the grill. Let's just take these out. One side of my hair looks fire, the other looks like a rat's nest. Hi, baby. It's the sassy shoulder for me. You wanna watch Lilo and Stitch?
No.
Wanna watch Tangled?
No.
Do you wanna watch Moana?
No.
I'm a wet my toothbrush before toothpaste kind of girl, and I feel like that's the only right way. Daddy went golfing, to the grocery store, Wesley to the park.
And do the dishes I didn't do last night.
The dishes. What do you want to do today? Oh, make the good bacon. Ricky, let's get dressed. See, that was easy. You're all done. Why is getting a toddler dressed an Olympic sport? Brady's not just making pancakes, he's making cinnamon roll pancakes. Next thing of this Sunday morning is getting my closet slightly organized. Sundays are for like the random crap that I need to get done around the house, and I have so many clothes to hang up and clothes to wash. So excited to have a bigger closet because my clothes do not fit in here. Next up is laundry. Thanks, babe. Pancake.